highs in the upper 70s. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northern Ogle County in north central Illinois, until 10 a.m. At 6:01 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain has already fallen. The stronger storms will produce rainfall rates of 1 to 1.5 inches in an hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sycamore, Genoa, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Davis Junction, Kirkland, Forreston, Kingston, Stillman Valley, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, Leaf River, Fairdale, Adeline and Baileyville. Stay away from flooded streams, ditches, stream banks, and fields. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.